When I started out here 40 years ago, the machinery that was out here was older than I was when I started, and it has changed quite a bit.
When I first come out here, there was about 7 or 8 different lines. I started down on the paint line. I never thought I'd be here long enough to see little robots carrying parts to the line, I put it that way.
Lots of changes have went on in this plant. As the later years go, technology moved in, which is a great advance. Our zero waste to the landfill is a good program. We used to just trash everything. Now it's recycled, a great advancement for us and everybody concerned.
The innovation and the technology is astronomical compared to what it used to be. The units are so much more complex. You got multiple systems within one unit. It's just a whole lot more complex as far as the jobs.
Back in the day, we were in an older system and they just printed everything. So you just have stacks and then you mailed to your field salesman. 14 years ago, they automized everything on the computer, and so you don't run all that anymore. So just the updating and the technology, building this ILC, making us a training facility for the plant has been remarkable.
Advancement in technology, a great addition to any job. Our products are the best in the world, and I'll always stick with that.